But the old woman went on with her drivel. Drivel means silly nonsense. Okay, is it proper for such a young person to travel alone? Do you know exactly where are you going in town? What's the street and what's the house number? The lady was worried for Vali, and she told Vali, "Do you know where are you going? Is it safe for you to travel alone? Do you know what's the house number? What's the street?" Okay, what about Vali? She said, "No, you need not bother about me." Means there is no need to worry about me. Bother means worry. I can take care of myself, Vali said, turning her face towards the window and staring out. Vali turned her face towards the window and she was looking out what was happening. Okay, her first journey. What careful, painstaking, elaborate plan she had to make for it. Painstaking means which is done with great care, and elaborate means detailed. Okay, she had thriftily saved whatever stray coins came her way. Thriftily means saved with much care, carefully. Okay, and resisting every temptation. Resisting means opposing every temptation. Temptation means desire to buy peppermints, toys, balloons, and the like. And finally, she had saved a total of 60 paise. Why 60 paise? Because for going from town village to town, 30 paise fare was there, and she had to come back also, so she should have 30 paise, 60 paise. So how she saved 60 paise? Whenever Vali was getting any coin, whenever she was getting any money as a pocket money, she was saving that. Okay, she had never bought anything for many days. She was stopping her desire. She was controlling herself when she was going in the market or when she was going in the fair also. She had not bought her favorite things like balloons, peppermint and all, toys and all. She was saving each and every coin, and this way she got to save 60 paise. Okay, how difficult it had been, particularly that day at the village fair when she had resolutely stifled. Resolutely stifled means controlled with determination. Okay, as it is mentioned here, a strong desire to ride the merry-go-round even though she had the money. Okay, once Vali went to the village fair also. She had money to have a ride on the rides and all, but she could not do so. She didn't do anything there. She didn't eat anything on the fair. She just saved the money which was given by her parents to go to fair also. And for which thing she was saving this money? For fulfilling her dream, and her only dream was to ride the bus. Okay, and after she had enough money saved, her next problem was how to slip out of the house without her mother's knowledge. But she managed this without too much difficulty. Every day after lunch, her mother would nap for 1 or 4 or so. Vali would use this hour for excursion as she stood looking for the doorway of the house. Okay, so Vali's mother was always sleeping for 1 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and today also she used this time to come outside her home and to go out of her village by bus.